Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your Topresume subscription. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you, if you want to cancel your subscription, you need to provide at least 1 or 2 days notice period before your next you can select billing date. Okay, so first of all you need to visit on the official website and you need to log in into your account, and once you logged in into your account you will be redirect on this kind of window. Okay, on this window there is a button, like at the very top side there is a setting gear icon. You need to tap on this button and it will pop up this kind of option. You need to select account setting. Now you will see there is a option like regarding your account settings. Okay, in my case I have free plan. In your case, if you have taken any subscription, your plan details is over here. You can click on upgrade or downgrade option over here, and you can upgrade or downgrade, or you can cancel your subscription by using this way. Okay, now if you have any other questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.